Okay, so we're filming here today to give you we're going to eat the camera. We are going to give you a demonstration of sitting up. So we're going to sit that down. I don't know how that's going to work. Okay, we're going to sit that down. And up she goes. Nope, we're not standing. We're sitting. Sit. Okay, we're sitting up. Okay. Now we're going to let go. So you have to hold yourself. We're letting go. Oh, that didn't work so well.